Mentah kesini kat santri guna pra arzar upsan menteri rangba ke jylla konrad ki sangma ulo Buh Mawnongrim ban shna ya ke Meghalaya House ha ke surak number kendai Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Road New Delhi bat kani ke yang ke bathamai kan don arpsau tylli kamra khnang ba kibriu na kani ke jylla kin yo jaka sa habakilet ban don kam Delhi o menteri rangba ke jylla habakran ha ke jingelang Buh yang Mawnongrim ulo ang ba ka shna ya kani ke yang ka bathamai ha ka ju ka jakka ka baladon lupa ka Meghalaya House ka brim ka bala shna house nam shijar kandai spanyol phuai ban punbun shu sa arpsau tylli kamra kan long ha ka jinglot ka ba arpu ar klor tengka da ka shna shu ya kani ke yang ka bathamai kan yarap ya ki pai ba na kani ke jylla bakin yo jakka sa ha Meghalaya House habakilit dan kam shanong ba Delhi na markat badang mi kisni ke jenglet jong kibriu na kani ke jylla kiladang bon kumta kaladan kam bandon shu ki kamra ha kani kesni ladan lang sembut menteri rang ba ke jylla ba preston tinsang o menteri bedai pet ya ke general administration department ba sostes nesotun pat ka jaka jong ke Meghalaya House ha ke surak number kendai Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Road New Delhi ke don waypoint kendai akar.
Also, and obviously the most iconic is going to be this particular area where we want this to happen. But having said that, I do take this opportunity because all the Meghalaya House staff people are here, that at the end of the day, infrastructure is only infrastructure. What makes this a Meghalaya House and what makes this a public space is ultimately the kind of service that we give to the people out here. So I cannot but reiterate and mention to all of you that whenever anybody who comes from our state, it is very important for each and every one of you to ensure that they feel at home. And that the new building cannot do. That a new car cannot do. That is only the human touch that you guys can give. So I do appeal to all of you that I hope that you will be reminded about this every time you see a person coming from our state to stay out here. And you can put yourself in their place and just imagine that a smile for a person who has never been to Delhi, because you're always in Delhi so you feel it's normal. But suddenly somebody comes from the village and is lost, but suddenly sees his or her own person smiling and saying, "Welcome to Meghalaya House, Delhi. I hope your journey was good. I hope you're okay. Don't worry, we are here to take care of you." Will make a world of difference to their mind. Even if the rooms are bad, they will feel at home because of the kindness that you have shown. So I do appeal to all of you that at the end of the day, every day when you get up in the morning, remind yourself why you are here, what you are doing here.